Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Mellow Naturalista Classic, a 12-inch solid wood platform bed that combines style and functionality with ease. This queen-sized bed, crafted from durable pine, boasts a mid-century modern design with a 3.5-inch solid wooden frame, ensuring both elegance and longevity. With a maximum weight recommendation of 400 pounds, the bed's noise-free construction and non-slip tape on the wooden slats provide exceptional stability and a peaceful night's sleep. The Cellini's diamond pattern stitching adds a touch of sophistication to any room, and with thousands of positive reviews, it's clear why this bed is a fan favorite. Measuring 79.5 inches long, 59.5 inches wide, and 12 inches high, it offers a sleek profile that fits seamlessly into any bedroom. Plus, the easy assembly process means you'll have it set up in minutes, with spot cleaning made simple using a mild detergent and damp cloth. Delivered in smart, compact packaging, the Mellow Naturalista Classic is a stylish and practical choice for any home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.